Okay, so we're going to be solving this problem. It says solve for x and y, and the actual equation is 2x squared plus y equals 8 and 3x plus y equals 3. Okay, so the first step is to take this part of the equation and get y to equal itself. So we're going to be subtracting negative 3x from both sides and getting y equals 3 minus 3x. And then we're going to be plugging it to the other part of the equation. We're going to be getting 2x squared plus 3 minus 3x equals 8. And then we're going to be subtracting 3. So minus 3 on both sides, and we're going to be getting 2x squared minus 3x equals 5. Then we're going to be subtracting 5 from both sides, and we're going to be getting 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Now, since there's a 2 in front of the x squared, we're going to be having to multiply that 2 by the negative 5, and we're going to get negative 10. Then we have to find two numbers that multiply to negative 10 and add to negative 3. So we have negative 5 and 2. Next step is to tee off the numbers and equal it to 0 on both sides. So we have x plus 2 equals 0 minus the 2. Then we get x equals minus 2. Same thing with the 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0 plus 5 on both sides equals 5. Then we have to plug it back into this equation that I'm highlighting. So now we're going to plug in our first number, which is 5. So we're going to get y equals 3 minus 3 times 5. So we're going to get y equals 3 minus 15, and then we're going to get y equals 12. So we have our first set here, which is 5, negative 12. So now we have to take our next number and plug it into the equation. So we get y equals 3 minus 3 times negative 2. So we're going to get y equals 3 plus 6, and we're going to get y equals 9. So now we have our next set, which is negative 2, 9. So now we're going to be working on the check. So we have to take the original equation before we tampered with it, which was 3x plus y equals 3. And now we're going to be plugging our first set in, which was 5, negative 12. So we're going to get 3 times 5 minus 12 equals 3. And we're going to get 15 minus 12 equals 3. And 3 equals 3, so that one works. So we have to do the same thing with the other set. So negative 2, 9 was our next set. So we have 3 times negative 2 plus 9 equals 3. And then we get negative 6 plus 9 equals 3. And then 3 equals 3. So this is all our work, and we are done. Okay, so we're going to be solving this problem. I have it already written out, and we know it's tan because it's opposite over adjacent. So the first thing we're going to be writing is tan 43 degrees 19 minutes equals 148 over y. Now we're going to be cross multiplying, getting 0.9429y equals 148. Then we're going to be dividing the decimal by both sides, and we're going to be getting y equals 156.9625623. So what we just solved for was this red part of the triangle, and now we're going to be solving for the green part of the triangle. Okay, so we're going to be solving this. So the first thing we're going to be doing is writing tan 28 degrees 32 minutes, and we're going to be equaling it to 148 over x plus y. And now we're going to plug in what tan is, and we're going to plug in what y is. So tan is 0.5437, and the y was 156.9625623. Then we're going to be cross multiplying, and we're going to be getting 0.5437x plus 85.340545512 equals 148. Now we're going to be subtracting this decimal by both sides, and we're going to be getting 62.65945488. Now we're going to be dividing the number that we just got by the tan 0.5437. So we're going to be getting x equals 115.2463765, and we're just going to round that to 115.